So hi everybody, this is Karen Abelia and today is our seminar day. This seminar is one of the requirement for our enrollment this coming second semester as a college student here in Talisay City College. So here we go. So the theme of our seminar is all about the fostering safe and peaceful learning environment, a seminar on peaceful education and child protection for students, teachers. So what is all mean? So what it's all about? So it's all about Magna Carta for the public teachers and also the Code of Ethics as a professional teacher. So what it's all about in Magna Carta. So Magna Carta is a law that grants teachers specific rights and protections, focusing on their welfare, working conditions and benefits such as limiting teachers' hours, ensuring health benefits and providing legal safeguards in disciplinary cases. So while the code of ethics, it is all about it is a set of moral and professional standards that guides their behavior and conduct, emphasizing duties to the state of learners, parents, the profession, and the community, and promoting qualities like integrity, competence, and professional conduct. So yun yun. So, in short, yung Magna Carta is about the law. Yung law na kung saan ay yung magagamit namin yon sa pag-protect sa amin. Halimbawa na lang, pag, if you are encountering pag yung halimbawa lang naman yung students is sinapak outside of the school but you are still wearing the school uniform and also the ID in your school, so yun yung isa sa mga magpo-protect sa sa mga teachers. Yun. And while the code of ethics, it is all about how the teachers act professionally. So yun yun dapat kasi as a teacher kasi, I mean, as a future teacher, we are a role model. So, dapat kami yung isa kami sa mga, ano bang tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. Oh my God. Isa kami sa mga nilo-look up. So, dapat, kung yung ano, yung mga aming mga, like for example, kung paano kami manamit. So, dapat, we should wear a demure. Hindi yung nasa school ka is yung todo sleeveless ka, todo sayaw-sayaw ka ng kung ano-ano nang nakamalaswa siya. So, hindi siya pangkaraniwan yung, alam niyo na yon. So, dapat as a teacher, so we should set as a good example in our students. So, that is the main reason of the code of ethics on how we behave professionally. So, hindi yung pag ano, pag meron kang gwapong student is, oh, crush ko siya. Oh, no, that's not like that. So, hindi siya ganun. So, yan yung sa mga code of ethics. Ikaw yung magdidisiplina sa mga bata. Na totally magdidisiplina, kailangan mo siyang pagbuhatan ng kamay. So, magdisiplina ka through words in a right way. So, you have to explain in a right way na hindi misunderstand ng bata. So, yun yung pinaka-importante. So, yun yung kailangan naming ma-develop and also kailangan naming mahasa para sa aming incoming practicum day. So, yun lang naman yung nangyari sa aming seminar. So, yung seminar namin is lahat ng education program, the Filipino, English, Science, Math, and all. So, each sections ay meron lang apat na representative kasi our school is limiting students. Hindi lahat ng estudyante is pinapapunta kasi nga meron pang mga aftershock sa mga earthquake. So, that is the main reason why kung bakit hindi kami lahat pumunta ng school. So, yung iba naming kaklase is nag-take lang sila na seminar through online kasi meron kasi kaming press. So, doon sila nagla-live sa Facebook page, Kisisilimpid, at doon lang sila nag-join yung aming mga kaklase. So, ang kanilang mode of attendance is through Google Forms. Sa ibang, meron kasing mga nakasign the committee kung sino yung mag-handle ng nagmo-monitor ng attendance at saka yung sa physical. So magkaiba. So bali, lahat ng education is meron kami designated na mga gagawin. So, and I am just so thankful kasi thank you so much everybody kasi the seminar is good. I mean, it went well. It is, I can say that it is a successful seminar, and marami kaming natutunan sa aming mga speakers. So yeah, that is all. So yun yung mga nangyayari sa ating mga buhay-buhay this past few days. Ang dami talagang nangyari namin, and marami pang mangyayari in the future, and hopefully is makashare din ako sa inyo. And I think that would be all for today's video, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye,